Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error in iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started the video without any delay. For that, first go to the settings menu. In settings menu, tap on general settings. Now tap on software update. Here, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. After confirming this, go to the settings menu. In settings menu, swipe down and tap on apps. Next, swipe down and find Safari, tap on it. Now swipe down and tap on clear history and website data. Now select all history option and then tap on clear history. So this process will remove all your website history and also solve your Safari browser problem.